I gotta say, there's nothing quite as lovely as some wood burning during a nice, crisp autumn evening like I'm experiencing here in Pennsylvania. My wife and I, we just got this new fire pit from Bali Outdoors, and I thought I'd share a quick review, everything I really like about this fire pit. First of all, you can see it's a nice size. It's an elegant shape. It fits with any sort of, relatively modern decor, and it looks nice. That was a huge bonus. It's not just an open pit. What I really like is that with this grate that slides across, it keeps the embers pretty well at bay. The grate really does a pretty good job of keeping those embers inside the fire pit, but also the grate helps to minimize the amount of smoke that's traveling around, so someone isn't getting smoked out and having to move every 5 minutes because of smoke's in their eye. That's a huge thing. Now, even though it does have the grate, we did get a few embers when we were, flying the first few times that we were having a fire. So we purchased this. This is actually a covering for a fire pit, and we've put it on the ground to protect this area of our deck right by the fire pit. So anytime that the embers did shoot out of the grate, they landed within like 3 or 4 inches of the actual fire pit. So now with this fire pit cover on top, we can really stay, rest assured that that our deck's gonna be perfectly fine. The other thing which is really cool is that on top, it has another area where you can actually put some food. Maybe it's some corn. We put some polentas and some sausages on here. Things that we actually cooked inside, but then we brought it out here, and while we were eating like our salads and stuff, we kept the other food warm right here, and it actually continued to cook and got a nice little smokiness about it. So it's really convenient, and overall, I would say this is an awesome fire pit at a reasonable price. The one thing I did notice is you really don't want to stuff it with too much wood. I think 2 logs, maybe 3 at most. Otherwise, the flame fire does get a little bit big if you are in a deck situation like we are. I mean, if you're out, on the grass or whatever, who cares? But that's definitely going to help to minimize the amount of spraying embers. But regardless, this has been a really sweet purchase for us. So if you're looking for a fire pit that's, looks nice, convenient, and will spend some good quality time with, I would definitely consider this fire pit by Bali Outdoors.